In this video we'll show you how to install a poultry fence with T-posts. To keep chickens contained, install a fence at least 1.8 meters tall with wire at least 0.7 millimeters thick and holes no larger than 50 millimeters. Use smaller holes for smaller poultry. Start with measuring and marking the post locations at 2 to 3 meter intervals. Drive the T-posts 50 centimeters into the ground using a post driver, then check that the posts are straight and level. Add the tensioning wires by threading them through the post holes and securing them tightly to the end posts. Unroll the mesh and secure it to the pre-drilled holes in the end post using cable ties. Attach the mesh to the rest of the posts, then secure it to the tensioning wire at 30 to 45 centimeter intervals.